Each other, ladies.
Thailand, please, Thailand. Thailand.
All right. The moment we all been waiting for.
Thailand.
Now we get to know who
Ay.
our new Miss World will be. It is. Over to you, Mrs. Julia Moy.
Well, Miss World 2025 is
Thailand.
Thailand.
Ah! First round. Congrats, Thailand. Grabe, para sa'yo talaga yung corona. Paano na may papasok nila yung corona? Congrats for the first round ng Thailand.
Ethiopia, congratulations. You are our second position winner.
Oh my God, sakto lang yung
Well, we offer congratulations to Ethiopia on
paglabas
being
niya sa isang congrats para kang si Megan Yang ng buhok.
We'll put the sash on our new Miss World.
Diyan yung mother niya.
And in time-honored tradition, take her to the throne, ready for crown.
OMG, the crowning. Ganda, parang si Megan Yang lang. Yes, naipasok din. Oh my God, parang Megan Yang. Parang Megan Yang lang.
Opal Sujata from
Mabunye, Thailand.
is the 72nd Miss World.
Sakto lang yung pag-resign mo sa isang contest na panalunan mo. Perfect. My God, para ka lang si Megan Yang. Mukha mo. Congrats, Thailand.